Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. If you're new here, I am so glad that you're here. If you're back, welcome back. This video is for you if you really want to have a really good, pretty eyeliner, eye makeup look, and you're just not good at it. Like, you don't have a steady hand and you'd really like to have something that looks really good, it looks really interesting, but you just can't do the wing or any of the other things. You can do this, I promise. It is so easy, you're not gonna believe it. Let's jump in. I'm gonna use two colors that I know work really well with my skin tone. One is an eyeshadow stick in a rose gold color. The other is an eyeliner, and I like retractable eyeliner. So this is a retractable eyeliner in the color bronze. Obviously, I'm pretty fair complected. If you are darker complected than I am, you could probably wear a dark eyeliner, a black, something like that. I'm not a huge fan of very, very dark eyeliner or very, very dark eyeshadow as we get older. I feel like because I'm so pale, we're losing our color on our face is falling. It can be harsh. Plus, you'll see with this eyeliner look, I'm gonna stay inside the inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna stay inside this inner corner also. The closer you get to the outside, because our face is falling, our features are falling, right now it's summer, heat, humidity, I still have super oily skin. When you put all of that together, it can just be a recipe for disaster right in here and right down here. It can just fall, it can get muddy, it can get underneath your eyes, just making us look older and making our makeup look really, really messy. So for that reason, I stay away from colors that are super, super dark, and I'm gonna stay away from this inner corner and this inner corner. I will link everything that I'm using down in the description below this video. That's easy to find. There should be a little down arrow in the right side of your screen. Click that. It will open up and you can see everything down there. So I'm going to take this rose gold eyeshadow stick and I'm going to just go along the top of my eye and the bottom, not getting super close to the inside corner. Since this eyeshadow stick is pretty light, just a slight wash of color, very forgiving. If you get out of the lines, you can just easily wipe it away. Now I'm going to line the top of my eye with this bronze eyeliner. And the only two things I'm going to keep in mind is I'm only going to go about 2/3 of the way over. And then rather than lining like this in an arch, like we think about using eyeliner and not doing a wing. What I'm going to do is when I come over here, I'm going to create a little bit of a wedge. You'll see it. If I didn't tell you, you might not notice, but you'll see when I show you, it's just a little bit of a wedge, trying really hard not to go past the corner of my eye. Okay, I'm gonna show you up close, and here's where there's a lot of forgiveness. So no judging, because it's not perfect, and that's okay, because there's another really quick step. I still have to do the bottom, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of immediate gratification. Here is where the magic happens. Are you ready? Before I give you the whole entire look, let me do the bottom. And I don't put a lot of eyeliner on the bottom. I always do what I call walk past it with the eyeliner. Like, I don't spend a lot of time there because, again, I'm oily. I don't want it to fall underneath my eyes. I just want a little bit of definition, a little bit of color, and I just want it to be a little interesting at the bottom. I'm going to put on mascara and show you the entire look, but can you see how easy this is and how forgiving? And by using two colors, when you blend them together, then the colors kind of blend together. It looks super interesting, and it looks like it took far more finesse than it really does. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you'll like this video and subscribe. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram and say hi. And I'll be back next week with a new video. So go out today and be blessed and do your best.